Hello guys. Should I set you guys down right here? Is this a nice little fall background? I need to pull my pants up. Okay. Hi guys. I was trying to go for like a fall outfit because it's basically fall now. Is it? We're in nature. Today is gonna be kind of a challenge. Not really, I'm actually really pumped for it. Pretty much I'm gonna be eating what I used to eat before I lost weight, which was 40 pounds ago, which is crazy to think about. This was me before and this is me now, I guess, I don't know. Really fun because I used to eat so unhealthy. I was considered overweight, but I don't like that word. Also shout out to Remy, I saw her video of her following her old fitness videos or weight loss videos and I thought of this idea. It's a little different, but kind of the same. I don't know. Shout out to Remy, I loved her video. I think it's time to eat. Let's freaking go. First is breakfast time, which I'm so ready. This was my favorite breakfast ever. I probably had this like a couple times a week. Not the best thing for you, but I did not care. So let's go to Starbucks. Oh crap, I forgot I need to fix the back seats. I'm currently moving, so that's why my car looks like this. A lot of you guys might not know, but I posted a video on my vlog channel explaining why. So definitely go watch my vlog channel video after this video. Yeah, moving vlogs are happening, so if you like moving vlogs, follow my vlog channel. That does not look nice. Let's fix that. Oh no. There. Let's freaking go. Sunny. Okay.
Hi, thank you for choosing First Night. I'm going to start it for you.
Hi, do you guys have any sausage breakfast sandwiches left?
Yeah.
And then can I get a grande ice caramel macchiato with extra caramel? I'm ready to devour this. I haven't had this breakfast sandwich in so long. Like, I don't even remember the last time, but I cannot wait. Oh my gosh. Sorry if the lighting is really weird, but why? Pretty sure the sandwich is like 500 calories and it's not very good for you, but the caramel macchiato, like I'm pretty much just drinking caramel syrup. Yeah. Thank you. Oh, no, thank you. Thank you. Look at that caramel. So pumped. Oh gosh, please don't fall.
Don't fall. Do not fall on me.
I'll just go like right here. Oh, someone's in their car. Oh, the smell. If you haven't tried this, oh, the grease. Look at that. No, you guys need a different view. Look at that cheese. My stomach is gonna hate me because I do not do well with cheese and dairy. And then we have our extra caramel macchiato. Look at the caramel. I'm so excited. We're gonna try the sandwich. I'm so... This brings back so many memories, like 2016 Sarai. Oh yeah. Oh, fuck. Oh my goodness. I'm not even kidding. Like, this is better than McDonald's breakfast sandwiches. I'm not kidding. I'm gonna like start getting this like every day. Gosh. Whenever I take a bite of this, I keep thinking of the song Krazyrayray, where it goes, ooh, that should be hitting different. Every time I take a bite. Oh my gosh, I have like grease. Oh, the caramel macchiato. Okay. So sugary. I can't taste the caramel that much because usually like with a straw, you like suck up the caramel, but it's just chilling at the bottom. Save the earth, don't get straws. Where's my sandwich? Oh my gosh, what did I just do? I like threw my sandwich in the passenger side and it like fell apart. One half? The other half, okay. Oh my god, okay. Now that I mixed it up, holy crap. My stomach is gonna hate me because I'm lactose intolerant and that's like all dairy. My body does not digest dairy very well. And this has milk in it and cheese. Everything I'm not supposed to eat. Love that. So good. It is lunchtime. I'm trying to remember what I used to eat for lunch. I've been going through my old videos and I can't find what I used to eat, so I'm literally gonna search on my phone and look up food. Camera roll is literally from 2014, so let's figure out what I used to eat for lunch. All I see is like acai bowls. I think that's when it was like really trendy, but these ones like aren't the healthiest. Like they have so much sugar in them. Oh my god, this picture. I put popcorn, Takis, and goldfish. I cannot with myself. That was on August 16th, 2017. Oh, I found another gem. Me with a bagel. Let's go get an acai bowl for lunch. Ew. I just made it to Jamba Juice. Oh my god, there's people. This is really awkward. My regular acai bowl place closed at 3:30, which is so early. We had to go to Jamba Juice, so I got the acai primo, and this looks really good. I feel like these aren't that bad for you. It's just like a lot of sugar, you know? So this is what it looks like.
No.
I'm kind of curious what the nutrition facts are. Oh gosh, 70 grams of sugar and 100 carbs. Love that. That's really good. Do you want to buy it?
No.
No?
No. Good.
We'd buy like 4 acai bowls and then freeze them.
And put them in the freezer, yeah. And then we pull them out in the morning.
It's good. Okay guys, so it is snack time right now. I don't have any here, so let's go. Where are the Takis? I was literally obsessed with Takis like 2 years ago. I would post it like every day on Snapchat. I remember eating these all the time and my stomach was not okay, but I still ate them. So can't wait to hurt my stomach. Comment below letting me know if you guys like Takis or Hot Cheetos more. This is the first time I'm leaving Target with just one thing. Got my Takis, as you guys saw. Beauty. If you're an OG, I made a DIY giant Taki. Like, I'm obsessed with Takis. Oh no, the obsession begins. Hot! It's so hot. My mouth is like on fire. Hot Cheetos or Takis? Let me know. Now it's dinner time and Jamie's gonna help me with this one because we used to eat Domino's all the time and McDonald's for dinner. I think I need to put my hair up for this. It's getting serious. I forgot the dinner boxes are actually on Pizza Hut, so on Pizza Hut now. Cheez-It pizza? What? Can I just like order that to try? Okay, we have to. Jamie and I usually got the dinner box and that comes with cinnamon sticks, breadsticks, and a pizza, which those cinnamon sticks, bomb. Who is texting me? I think we just did a super supreme add to order. Cheese stuffed Cheez-It pizza. I'm adding that. I know I didn't used to eat this, but we have to try it. Go to checkout. So now we wait. Oh yeah, oh my gosh. Yeah, thank you. I went to the same school as him. Okay, we got our food.
Hi guys, welcome to Hey It's Jamie's channel.
I'm so pumped.
Hi.
This is Jamie. Yeah, we used to eat this like a lot. Or you would go to McDonald's and get like the 20-piece nugget. Like we were so unhealthy. Should we try this first?
Yeah.
This is like new, I think. That's what it looks like. Whoa.
Oh.
Whoa.
Just tastes like a mozzarella stick.
I'm so excited. So it says that it's like 500 calories per slice.
I'm so shocked. That's crazy.
Yeah, I thought it was only like 200.
I always like the corner pieces.
This is so good. What's an unhealthy thing that you used to eat that you missed?
I used to drink a lot of bubble tea, I feel like.
We used to eat so bad.
Now if we do, your stomach just hurts, so it's not even worth it. Why am I low-key full already?
I know.
Are you?
I'm gonna have a cinnamon stick because I keep looking at those. Ooh. Me too.
I think that's my weakness.
We like barely dented this. We tried.
I'm full.
I'm over it. I thought we would end the video outside because we started the video outside. I'm gonna end it there because I'm over food. Obviously I don't eat every single thing in one day, but like those were my staples. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. Definitely subscribe down below and turn on my post notifications to be notified when I upload. Okay. And also don't forget to subscribe to my vlog channel because moving vlogs are happening right now, so you don't want to miss those. Sorry that the lighting sucks. It's way better if I turn this way. I'm so stupid. I love you guys so much. Have a wonderful day and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.